BMW R1200GS. Best Motorcycle Review. One of the best adventure bikes around when launched, 2017 to 2018. If you decide you fancy a 2017 to 2018 BMW R1200GS, you'd better be prepared to do some serious research first. There are versions upon versions to choose from. In the road bias side, you can opt for the standard model, a TE or a TE exclusive. If you fancy tackling the dirty stuff, there's the Rally and the Rally TE. Then of course there's the BMW R1200GS Adventure, which comes in a bewildering choice of 5 different spec levels of its own. The standard BMW R1200GS comes with handguards, pannier fastenings, and switchable riding modes. If you step up to the TE, you get electronic suspension, ESA, cruise control, ABS, dynamic traction control, DTC, better onboard computer, and a whole host of other goodies. The TE exclusive has the same spec as the TE, but comes in ice chocolate paint and gold calipers, a staggering 305 pounds edition. The Rally is the off-road biased version of the R1200GS and comes with sporty upgrades to the pegs, seat, screen and wheels. You also get automatic stability control, ASC, radiator and frame guards and knobbly tires. The Rally TE gets you all of that, plus DTC, LED lights. Still reading? There's a complete list of features in the equipment section of the review. Ride quality and brakes. For 2017, BMW added clever self-leveling next-generation ESA and improved the DTC. Previously you could change the damping on the move to soft, medium and hard, but now the damping is adjusted automatically, adapting to your riding by reading numerous sensors such as lean angle, brake pressure, speed, pitch and more. In basic terms, the ESA is always readjusting automatically and keeping the bike level. Brake heavily into a turn and it will increase damping at the front, accelerate hard and it will increase damping on the rear. Over bumps and imperfections, the ride is truly impressive. Engine. The partially water-cooled boxer motor remains unchanged for 2017 despite now being compliant with Euro 4. This means peak power is still 125 bhp at 7700 rpm with peak torque of 92.2 ft-lb at 6500 rpm. With its excellent fueling and drive, BMW made a big step with the Boxer engine when they updated it in 2013. Reliability and build quality. Resale values are high because BMW's reliability and service are top level. This GS continues their high level of quality, feeling robust and secure. Our BMW R1200GS owners' reviews show some very fond owners, but also those who say the bike itself and looking after it are too expensive. In June 2017, BMW made a change to fix a fault with the R1200GS's fork stanchions. Bikes built before this should have been fixed under warranty when a recall was issued. Value versus rivals. At just over £15,500, the GSTE exclusive came fully loaded and the styling and colors gave an even greater impression of sophistication. The base Rally started at £12,730, which was good value for money, but our test bike was priced at a staggering £18,318 on the launch event. That's an expensive bike to bounce over rocks. Equipment. At £15,564, the TE exclusive we tested comes fully loaded with a new style package, dynamic traction control, dynamic ESA, LED headlights, keyless ignition, daytime riding lights, hill start control, onboard computer, shift assist, dynamic riding modes, GPS preparation, chrome exhaust, heated grips, tire pressure control, cruise control, handguards, LED indicators, ABS Pro, and fairing fasteners. The standard Rally comes with radiator and frame guards, wide enduro pegs, single seat, sports windscreen, cross-spoked wheels, riding modes, ASC, handguards, and fairing fasteners. The Sport comes with additional dynamic traction control, LED headlights, daytime riding lights, hill start control, additional dynamic riding modes, chrome exhaust, heated grips, tire pressure control, LED indicators, and ABS Pro. Our Rally test bike had also been ridden through the accessories catalog and was equipped with the additional premium package, £1,645, which includes dynamic ESA, keyless ignition, onboard computer Pro, GPS bracket and cruise control. Furthermore, the sports suspension adds £290 and the lovely sounding Aquapovic exhaust adds another £860. Then add the engine protection, 322 pounds, cylinder head covers, 188 pounds, headlight guard, 87 pounds, adjustable back brake lever, 111 pounds, milled HP levers up front, 95 pounds each, and it's starting to look pricey. The standard model starts at a more palatable 12,730 pounds, but our test bike was spec'd to the value of 18,318 pounds.